Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make fish broth Trini style, only way. Start by rinsing fish parts and soaking briefly to remove excess blood. Use cold water, add whole aromatics like pimento, onion, celery, and chives. Keep the pot at a low simmer and avoid boiling to prevent cloudiness. Skim impurities, add salt gradually, and finish with a squeeze of lime for brightness. Gather your ingredients first so the process flows smoothly. I like kingfish heads, pimento, onion, celery, chives, and a small knob of ginger for warmth. Use cold water to cover the fish and keep a gentle simmer to avoid emulsifying fats. Skim often, taste mid-cook for salt, and wait until the aroma signals readiness before finishing with lime for a bright Trinidadian lift. Control temperature to keep the broth clear and flavorful. Use a low, steady simmer rather than a rolling boil to extract collagen without clouding. Skim the surface often to remove foam and impurities, and time the simmer between 45 and 90 minutes depending on fish size. Strain carefully through a fine sieve, cool rapidly in an ice bath if needed, and store chilled for later use in soups or sauces.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.